It's the time which is most awaited today, our cultural events.
Today, our stage will come alive with color, music, expression, and performance that reflect the spirit of our school.
Our friends here have practiced tirelessly, and every performance you're about to witness is a blend of dedication, hard work, and pure passion. I am Ayana Shashi, and my co host here, Diksha Prashant, and we'll be your anchors for this annual function.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy as our talented kids will come over the stage and break the performance.
So let's the cultural fiesta begin. To begin our cultural events, on an auspicious note, we present a beautiful and devotional puja dance. This graceful performance is a tribute to the divine, symbolizing purity, devotion, and blessing for a wonderful day ahead. Let us welcome our young dancers with a big round of applause.
The students are Hestia, Sadhika, Sanvia, Gauri, Aditi, Anika, Jomia, Rajashree, and Nainika.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमस्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् शिवा